In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a vendor in QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment against an existing vendor bill so your accounts payable stays clean and your reports stay accurate. We'll use the most common approach, paying a vendor bill from the Pay Bills screen. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From anywhere in your company file, click the plus new button, then choose Pay Bills. This page brings together all open vendor bills in one place, which makes it easy to see what's due and select what you want to pay. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. QuickBooks updates layouts occasionally, but the Pay Bills option under Plus New is the same workflow. Next, select the specific bill you're paying. First, choose the bank account you're paying from. This is important because it determines where QuickBooks records the money leaving, your checking account, for example, or any other cash account you use. Then, check the box next to the bill you want to pay. If you're paying multiple bills from the same account today, you can check more than one. Enter the payment date. Use the actual date the funds will leave your account. This keeps your reconciliations smooth and your aging reports accurate. If the bill has terms with early payment discounts or late fees, picking the correct date helps those calculations line up with reality. Now choose how you're paying. Select check if you plan to print a check or record a handwritten one. Choose expense if you're paying by cash, ACH, or another non-check method out of your bank account. Pick credit card if you're using a company card. If you use another method offered in your setup, select that instead. The key is to match the payment method to how the money really moves so your bank and credit card balances stay correct. When everything looks right, save the payment. If you chose check and you're printing now, click Save and Print to generate the check. If you're recording a payment that doesn't need printing, or you'll print checks later, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will mark the bill as paid, remove it from your open payables, and reflect the outflow in the account you selected. That's it. You've paid a vendor bill using the standard Pay Bills workflow. As a best practice, glance at the vendor list or the bills page to confirm the status shows paid, and later, when your bank transactions import, match the cleared payment to keep everything